Good morning, friends. This one is the first lecture of class 11 physics, and our topic is units and measurement. Inside this chapter, we will understand the following topics. This one, first one is units. We will understand two. Then second one is fundamental units. Third one is supplementary units. Then system of units and derived units. Okay. So first one, before we will start our chapter, we have already seen that our chapter name is units and measurements. Okay, so first of all we will understand what is the meaning of measurement. In simple language, measurement means आपको नापना, मापन, right? In Hindi we can see it मापन. So how we will understand? See, there is written one definition. First of all, I'm going to read that one definition, then I'll tell you how to understand it. Okay. So the definition is that the comparison of any physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का उसके स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट के रिस्पेक्ट में जब आप कंपेयर करते हैं, सो सच टाइप्स दैट इज नोन एज मेजरमेंट. ओके, हाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इट? हियर आई एम टेकिंग दैट वन पेन. सॉरी, that is your pen. If you are trying to measure its a distance, I think it will come in centimeter, right? Particular 10 to 15 centimeter, I'm not sure about it, the distance of that length of this pen. मीन्स अभी आप इस पेन की जो लेंथ को मीज़र कर रहे हैं किसके रिस्पेक्ट में? सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर इज सम पर्टिकुलर स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ना, एज वी हैव लर्न इन प्रीवियस क्लास दैट द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ इज मीटर. छोटी आप क्वांटिटी की बात करोगे तो आप मेज़र करेंगे किसमें? इन सेंटीमीटर. अगर आप उससे बड़ी क्वांटिटी की बात करते हैं तो किलोमीटर, राइट? अगर आपको क्वांटिटी को मेज़र करना है, अमाउंट को, तो आप लीटर में यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. अगर आपको टाइम की बात करते हैं तो स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट आप क्या लेते हैं? सेकंड. तो किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को अगर आपने स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट के रिस्पेक्ट में कंपेयर कर दिया, सो सच टाइप ऑफ दैट इज़ नोन एज मेजरमेंट. ओके, सो इन दिस डेफिनेशन we have seen that I have underlined two things. Number one is physical quantity and second one is unit. I think you are able to understand what is the measurement. ठीक है. अगर कोई भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को आपको कंपेयर करना है किसी स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट के रिस्पेक्ट में, तो उसको आप बोल देते हैं मेजरमेंट. देन फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ क्या होती हैं? ऑल द क्वांटिटीज़, सारी जितनी भी क्वांटिटीज़ हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ विच लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स आर डिस्क्राइब, जो फिजिक्स के लॉस के रिस्पेक्ट में अगर डिराइव हो सकती हैं, डिस्क्राइब हो सकती हैं, एंड हुज मेजरमेंट इज़ नेसेसरी आर कॉल्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, ऑल द क्वांटिटीज़ इन टर्म्स ऑफ विच laws of physics are described, right? So such type of quantities are known as physical quantities. Okay, now move on our chapter. So here is unit. What is unit? ठीक है. यूनिट इन विच द क्वांटिटी इज़ मेजर्ड. यूनिट क्या है? जिसमें आप क्वांटिटी को मेजर कर सकते हैं, बट देयर इज़ वन कंडीशन, इट शुड नॉट चेंज विथ टाइम, प्लेस एंड फिजिकल कंडीशन. तो आपको अगर यूनिट को मेज़र करना है उसकी क्वांटिटी को, लेकिन वो क्या होनी चाहिए? चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, प्लेस एंड फिजिकल कंडीशन. जैसे फिजिकल कंडीशन में आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, एक्सेट्रा. दैट इज़ नोन एज यूनिट. आई think we will understand with a very simple example. Look at here. Okay, here I'm taking, suppose this one S is your school, this one is your home. Okay, and distance between your school and home is 4 kilometer. ठीक है. अब हमने क्या बोला? यूनिट की डेफिनेशन हमने क्या बोला? we said that unit is which in which the quantity is measured. तो क्वांटिटी कितनी है? 4 किलोमीटर. ठीक है. लेकिन इट शुड नॉट चेंज विथ टाइम. टाइम के साथ ये चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. कैसे? सी, सपोज कर लो आप मंडे गए, मंडे में आपका स्कूल और घर के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? 4 किलोमीटर. ओके, व्हेन ट्यूसडे आप जाओगे तब भी डिस्टेंस आपकी कितनी होगी? 4 किलोमीटर. वेडनेसडे जाएंगे 4 किलोमीटर. ओके, डिस्टेंस में कोई चेंजेस नहीं हो रहे. इट मीन्स क्या है कि ये नहीं चेंज हो रहा है टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में, मतलब टाइम आपका वेरी कर रहा है बट डिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. देन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर. प्रेशर कैसे? टेम्परेचर कैसे? आप समर में जाएंगे तब भी स्कूल और आपके घर का डिस्टेंस सेम रहेगा. अगर आप विंटर में जाएंगे तब भी डिस्टेंस सेम रहेगा. तो यूनिट क्या है? दैट इज़ ओनली क्वांटिटी एंड इट डज़ नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन टाइम, प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर एक्सेट्रा, फिजिकल कंडीशन पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है. ओके, देन there are three types of units. First one is fundamental units, then supplementary units, and third one is derived units. Okay, how we will understand this one is very important thing. In physics, from 11th to 12th class, I think there are more than 300 formulas, and I think it is not possible, it is very hard to memorize all these formulas, but with the help of these fundamental units you are able to make any formula. So fundamental unit is very important thing. Okay, let us understand it. What are the fundamental units and quantities? So the quantities which are independent on one another are called fundamental quantities, and the units are called fundamental units. Look at here. Such quantities which are independent on one another means length, mass, time, ये एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं होगा, तो इन सब क्वांटिटीज़ को हम बोलते हैं जो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं करेंगी. सच टाइप्स ऑफ क्वांटिटीज़ आर नोन एज फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ एंड देयर यूनिट्स. इनकी जो भी आपकी यूनिट्स होगी उनको आप बोल देंगे फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर ओनली 7 fundamental units which I'm going to read out. So first one is length, then mass, time. Next one, fourth one is temperature, then electric current, luminous intensity, and quantity of matter. There are only 7 fundamental units, and these units and quantities do not depend each other. Just try to memorize these 7 fundamental units. Look at here. First one quantity, that is length. The unit of length we have already learned, that is your meter, and its symbol is m. Students, it's a humble request, please do not write the symbols in cursive. Okay, try to write them properly, do not write them in cursive writing. Next, second one is mass. Mass is its a unit is kilogram, it is denoted by kg. Then third one unit is time, its a unit is second, and symbol is s, small s. Okay, now fourth one is temperature. Temperature unit is Kelvin. This one is a new thing for you, and it is denoted by capital K. Fifth one we have learned of in class 10th, that is your electric current, and every knows that its a unit is ampere and it is denoted by A. Okay, sixth one is luminous intensity. This first one, this one is new for you, I think. Luminous intensity, it's a unit is candela, it is denoted by CD. Then seventh one is quantity of matter, its a unit is mole and symbol is MOL. See students, please try to memorize all 7 fundamental units, and these 7 units do not depend each other. That's why they are called fundamental units. Means temperature never depend on time, length never depend on mass. So all these 7 fundamental units do not depend each other. Okay, so next one is supplementary fundamental units. There are only 7 fundamental units, and there is 2 supplementary fundamental units. Radian and steradians are the 2 fundamental units. Radian and steradian. These are the fundamental units of plane angle and solid angle. So concept of plane and solid angle we will discuss on upcoming chapter. So you just memorize these 2 quantities, that is plane angle, it is a quantity, its a unit is radian and it is denoted by RAD, right? Next one angle is solid angle, its a unit is steradian and it is denoted by SR. So how many fundamental units are there? There are 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary fundamental units. Then our last one topic, that is your derived units. नेम से पता चल रहा है derived means वो physical quantities जो इन 7 fundamental quantities की help से बनेगी. These are known as derived units. The physical quantities which are derived from the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities, and their units are called derived unit. Examples are velocity, acceleration, force, etc. These are called the derived units. Here I am going to tell you only first one example. You will, I think, understand it. Example, velocity. The definition, formula of velocity is, what is velocity? Change, displacement over time. the unit of displacement is meter, right? Displacement की unit meter हो गई, and the unit of time is, look at here, time unit is second. So the unit of velocity is, in place of displacement we can write the displacement unit is meter and the unit of time is second. Hence the unit of velocity will be meter per second or meter second inverse. Okay, so this, the unit of velocity, it is derived from where? From fundamental. Displacement means length, right? Time is, that is also fundamental unit. So with the help of these fundamental units you can derive the unit of velocity, right? So these, that such type of units are known as derived units. So there are several examples: velocity, acceleration, force, work, that when these units you can solve, derive with the help of fundamental units. Okay, thank you so much.